So I just posted about installing a new Omarchy theme that you find on the internet, and in the comments down here, someone mentions a font I'd never heard before. Victor Mono font. I think, do you know what? I should check that out. So again, I do my Super Alt space, and then I jump down to install, and then I'm going to check if it's not on the AUR. I bet it is. I can simply search through 120,000 packages here. And I know that these things start with TTF for font, and then we just check if the Victor font is there. It is, and there's even a Mono Nerd edition, so let's install that. And as soon as we have it installed, I can hop back into the Omarchy menu, go down to Style, go down to Font, and I can find it here on page 2. Victor Mono Nerd font. But actually, before I switch over, let me just show you how it's going to look. So I'm going to start a new terminal. I can actually just position this on Super V. You can toggle whether it's a floating window or it's a tiling window. Let me hop back into Omarchy. Let's look at some code. Let's look at that beautiful MIT license here. And then I'm going to switch over to the Victor Mono Nerd font. Boom. That's basically all it took. And now I'm running the Victor Mono font. And you know what? If I don't like that, I'm just going to hop back in. I'm going to go down to Style, Font, change it back to Cascadia. And then if I didn't want the thing on my system at all, I'll go down to Remove, Package, TTF. These are the fonts I have installed. Let's remove Victor. And that's it. Now it's gone. It is incredibly easy to manipulate Omarchy in this way and set it up just the way you like it.